Hey beauties, it's me, Alegra. I'm hopping on tonight with some new drugstore makeup that I just picked up. Now, I haven't tested these out yet, so I figured we could test these out together, although one of these I did test out, so I'll let you know. But I have 4 goodies here to play with tonight and to find out, are these drugstore better than high-end? So I can't wait to try them out, and so let's go ahead and dive right in. So the first item that I'll show you beauties is this new mascara that I just picked up at the drugstore. This is called the Paradise Big Deal. This is from L'Oreal, and I am wearing this right now. I did use this already when I made this makeup look tonight, and you guys, this is really good. It does really give you tons of lashes. It's said to be thickening and volumizing, and I definitely did see thickened lashes and more voluminous lashes too, so they definitely looked longer and thicker. So now this mascara here is said to lengthen and volumize. So I did actually notice that my lashes looked longer and thicker with this mascara. So I definitely did see a huge difference, especially in my lower lashes. I felt like it made them look so much more thicker and plumper, and also really separated them and just made a beautiful effect. So I love the packaging. You know, it does look like my other L'Oreal mascara, Paradise, so it's very similar. Only thing I could see different is that it does have a design stamped onto the top on the twist cap, but I mean, it's just very nice. It's very bougie. It looks very luxurious. I love the pink metallic and look of this. So definitely this is a excellent mascara and did not irritate my eyes, didn't transfer onto my face or into my hooding. It didn't splash about and just, you know, make a hot mess. It's really good, you guys. I'm just gonna take a second look at it, but I have to tell you, I did put on lashes after I applied this mascara. So what you're seeing right now is actually this mascara with Ardell lashes. So this is actually an Ardell half lash. But I hope you could see here, but the lower lashes are so much thicker, and that is all down to this mascara. So if you love your lower lashes to look thick and just look more separated and voluminous, this will definitely do your lower lashes a good they'll do your lower lashes good. So you will not be disappointed, and it looks very natural too. It looks very luxurious and very expensive, and this is exactly like any high-end mascara, actually better than high-end. So they do also say that it's buildable. I'll let you beauties know. I'll get back to you and let you know if it's easy to remove, but I do use eye makeup remover. I do use micellar water and or the Lancome eye makeup remover. But so that is, you know, generally how I get my mascara off. So they're usually pretty easy to remove. Also, I use the winter wipes, the cotton wipes, amazing. So I can't say enough good things about this mascara. It's excellent. I would definitely pick it up. I will have it linked down below with the Shop with YouTube feature, because with the Shop with YouTube feature, many times there's coupons that if you they'll have something exclusive coupon with Ulta and in conjunction with Shop with YouTube. So you'll get maybe, sometimes there's $3 off or extra 20% off. You never know, but definitely check when you click the link in the Shop with YouTube feature, because there is many times coupons and additional savings. So now beauties, I also picked this up. Now these products that I'm going to show you next are all, this is my first impressions. I haven't tested these out yet, but I saw this at the drugstore. This is new from NYX. It's their Duck Plump. This is a plumping lip liner. So this one that I got here is the shade Beige Boost. And so I figured we could test it out together. And they do have a bunch of different shades. I did order more in the spirit of, you know, doing lip swatches of different colors. So I'll be, hopefully if we like it, the formula and things like that, otherwise I'll return the ones that I ordered. But otherwise I'll be back if we like this, and we'll do lip swatches with all the other shades that I got. But here is this shade. And so, oh, okay, wow. This feels so good. It's very creamy, but not too creamy. It feels like it's really staying put where I'm placing it on my lip line, which I hope you could see, because I do love to overdraw my lips a bit. And so this is completely filling in the lip line though. So it's not really see-through, it's very pigmented. So it's really drawing on a beautiful lip line. It does feel like it's gonna stay in place too, because it doesn't feel too oily, it doesn't feel too dry. It's creamy, but not too creamy. So actually feels amazing, wow. And it does have an angled tip to it, which is really nice. And so let's try the upper. It's very thick too, so as you can see here, it's covering a large portion of my lips. So that's really nice. I don't feel any burning or tingling yet. Like the Too Faced has the plumping lip liner, and that actually will burn almost immediately as soon as you put it on. This is not burning yet or tingling, so that's really great, because the Too Faced one it's almost, it actually is too much for me. It burns a lot, their plumping lip liner. This is flippin' gorgeous, you guys. Wow. I feel a little bit of tingling right now, or a little bit of burning kind of sensation, but what do you beauties think? It's definitely not painful. It's just a little, now I'm starting to feel a little bit of a tingling sensation, but it's not painful. It's not too much. Hopefully it won't get to be more, but right now it's okay. It's not too much. And the effect that it's making, I feel like it definitely made my lips look bigger. It feels like it's budge proof. Let's see if it's, look at that, guys. It's pretty transfer proof. Okay, so I'm glad, because I did order a few more shades. I picked this up, but this was the only one they had left. So I looked online and I saw that they have more shades, and I ordered a few, so I'll be back and we'll do lip swatches, liner. But also now, beauties, I got this from NYX. This is also new from NYX. This is their IV. This is the Hydrating Gloss Serum Lip IV. So the one that I got here is called, let's see here, Hydrating Serum Gloss Caramel Drip. So beautiful packaging, and I haven't seen this yet. Okay, very nice looking applicator. So it looks like it might be really precise. So let's try this. So that feels really good. Oh, it feels very gel-like, and it feels very moisturizing already. It has a beautiful gloss to it. It has a very unique texture to it. It does almost feel gel-like. So it feels a little thicker in texture, but not too thick. So do you know sometimes some glosses are too thick and some are too thin, and they're slipping and sliding all over your face? This feels like it will stay put. This really does feel very hydrating and very moisturizing, and this color is beautiful. What do you beauties think? Do you like this color? I love it. They said, again, I'm just looking right now, but it's a gloss serum. So yes, it does feel serum-like, and it is glossy, and it is hydrating. It hasn't gotten on my teeth, because some of these glosses I've been trying lately, they just will immediately get on your teeth, because they're so, you know, the texture of them is too emollient, and it just winds up getting all over, and that's very irritating. This is not doing that. As you can see, it's really staying put. It's not already. I have tried so many glosses lately that would already be all over my teeth. Wow. And then I do have one more new product here. This is from L'Oreal, and this is called Plump Ambition. This is a lip oil new from L'Oreal, and now this shade that I got here is called, I believe this is called Latte Glace. This is $6.41. So let me take this off, and then we'll try on that L'Oreal lip. So beauties, I just took off the previous lip, and I have to tell you, when I took it off, my lips are burning now. So it really didn't burn when it was on my lips, but now that I've taken it off, I guess the tingling ingredients have, you know, absorbed into my skin to plump my lips. And so now I do feel the burning, but it's still not as bad though as the Too Faced. So, but it is getting more and more. So I'm not sure how far is it gonna go with the burning. But right now it's, you know, it's about a 5 out of a 10. And I would describe the Too Faced burning, something is like a 10. It's a lot. But okay, now here I have this lip from L'Oreal that I said this is again, the Plump Ambition. I was gonna try this with a lip liner. I guess, you know, I don't know what you beauties prefer. It does have a beautiful applicator. Do you want to see the lip liner? I figure I'll show you the true color, and then I'll add lip liner. But so here's how it looks. So actually, wow, this is very sheer. Oh, this feels incredible. This feels exactly like a Dior lip oil, and has the beautiful applicator like the Dior lip oil, because the Dior lip oil has that big applicator, so it just, you know, fills over your lips faster. It applies faster to your lips. This is beautiful. I thought this might have more color to it, but it really doesn't. It's very sheer. This looks beautiful on its own, or of course you could use it as a lip topper over your lipstick, but I would say this is an exact dupe for the Dior lip oil. It actually feels a little bit more maybe gel-like in texture, a little thicker, very slightly though. So what do you beauties think? I'm so surprised. I think this looks gorgeous on its own. I just can't believe how beautiful it looks. It's a hint of color. They did have a lot of different colors, at least maybe 10 different shades to choose from. I just really can't believe it. It feels so nourishing, so moisturizing. This color is beautiful. It's just a hint of color. I feel like my lips look huge now. It could be from that NYX lip liner though, because that definitely did have a plumping effect. This is beautiful though. Wow, this is amazing. This is, I would save your money. If you love Dior lip oil, I would actually go ahead and get this. Where is it actually? Where did I put it? This is an exact dupe. You know, save your money because this is incredible. I would love to see this. This is gonna look gorgeous over lipstick. If you put this over a matte lipstick, oh my goodness, your lips are gonna be so glossy. They're gonna look so much bigger. Hydrate your lips and just give a beautiful hint of maybe color, but probably it would just totally, the color underneath would probably just be the primary look of your lip because this doesn't really have that much color. I'll just try it with a lip liner just to see. This is a L'Oreal lip liner here. This is called Worth It Medium. So I'll just see how it looks. Oh, this lip liner is so good. I never tried this lip liner before. I tried the Worth It, the original, but this one is a deeper shade of Worth It. So this is medium. This is 635. Actually, I just took off. I'm going to start from scratch because this is so beautiful. I want to see it on its own. Here is how it looks. This is such a beautiful color. It's like your lips but better. It's one of those colors, that lip shades that is your lips but better. Wow, with this you don't even need a lipstick. It's so beautiful. But let's just put the lip oil on top. I just wanted to see how it looked. So this is that L'Oreal lip oil. This is so luxurious looking. I can't believe it. This is beautiful. This is actually so beautiful. I can't believe it. So what do you beauties think? Which lip combo do you like better? Did you like the NYX lip or the L'Oreal lip? I think this looks so luxurious. I just can't believe it. So I would definitely, if I could go back in time or if I would reach for one, I would pick up this one from L'Oreal because I think it looks very luxurious and beautiful, and it's very complimentary. If you have a skin tone like mine, it's very complimentary to this type of skin tone, which is, I pretty much am fair neutral skin tone, but it would probably look gorgeous on so many skin tones. I would love though, I would love to have models to swatch. I'm hoping to get some models. I've been trying to recruit models. It just depends what kind of lip look you're going for, but this is so stunning. This is your lips but better, and this is very luxurious. So wow, I am so thrilled with these L'Oreal products. I could not recommend more. That lip liner, the lip oil, and I have tried the lipstick in a previous video. So gorgeous. So what do you beauties think? Let me know down below. Have you picked any of these up? And this L'Oreal mascara, amazing. So let me know if you've tried these. Will you be picking them up? Let me know down below. And I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you beauties very soon. Bye.